little birds on the A and the R. Wait.
Are they just like sitting there?
Yeah, they're just. That's their house.
That's so funny.
They're at their balcony.
They have a full 2-story house and those like little letters.
Yeah. The one on the A, inside the A, has a nest.
Really, but what about the other one?
The other one is just chilling.
It's chilling
He
itself.
he went to the second room.
It's just, oh my. Oh, wow.
He's like, probably the one on the letter A told him, "Get out of my house." And he went to the R.